celebrating wins. Try it for free at asana.com.
It will grab a random point from this origin. So this origin has to be the origin of our AI character. We can get it from here. So the control pawn. So we need to get the actor location. Get actor location. Connect that right here. And radius, we can promote this to a variable right here. And you can rename this variable to something like radius. Now if you select this radius variable, there is no option to change the value, and that is because you have not compiled this. So hit compile and save, and you can specify the radius. You can give it a radius of 2000. We have given this node a radius and a origin, and it will generate a random location. Now we need to store this random location to the Blackboard key. So the way we do that is, so set Blackboard value, and we are going to set Blackboard value as vector, and you can promote this key to a variable and rename this variable something similar, and we need to correct the random location that this node will calculate right here. So this set Blackboard value as vector will set the key specified to this value right here. And now the key is empty, as you can see, and there is no way to set the key from here. So what we are going to do is, we are going to make this public. So we are going to make this instance editable. So you can select this eye icon, and you can select this right here. So you can make this instance editable. You can also do that same thing from here. Compile, save, and once you do that, you will be able to see these in the behavior tree. So as you can see in this task, you can see the radius and the random location. So if you select this task, you will be able to change that, and we need to select the random location. Again, Unreal Engine has automatically selected this Blackboard key. Now I'm going to add another wait node. So wait for 0.5 seconds. Now I think this should work. So first let me take a look at the AI controller. Let me go into the blueprint editor, and I'm going to delete the event tech. And as you can see, we have made the behavior tree, but we have not called the behavior tree. So we need to start calling the behavior tree, executing the behavior tree from the AI controller. So we are going to run the behavior tree right here. There is a node called run behavior tree, and you can select the behavior tree that we created. So the AI BT, compile, save. So the AI controller will trigger the behavior tree, and all the logic is in our behavior tree. Okay, that looks good actually. If I hit play, nothing will happen. As you can see, we have done everything correctly, but nothing happens. And the way AI works in Unreal Engine is, you need to add a navigation mesh. So a navigation mesh is simply a mesh that will tell the AI character where it can move and where it cannot move. So we need to go here in the classes, and we need to search for a nav mesh, and we need a nav mesh bounce volume. Drag and bring it in the scene. It is just an empty object, as you can see. Now this is quite important. Bring it down so it should intersect with the floor. So now in order to view the mesh, the areas which are walkable and not walkable, you can press your P key. So P key is the shortcut, and as you can see, it is just a toggle key. So the green areas are walkable, so the AI character can walk in this. Now we need to increase the scale of this nav mesh to fit our full level. So just select this lock icon and scale everything. A scale of 20 should work. A scale of 20 works, so our whole level is green, and as you can see, the green areas are the areas in which the AI character can walk, and there are some glitches. So we are going to select the raycast nav mesh component, and this is sort of a nav mesh manager. So all the settings are here, and you can maybe increase the cell height to something like 50, and as you can see, glitches are fixed. Okay, so now we have done everything. Let's hit play and see. The AI character selects a random point and moves there. Now you can also visualize this Unreal Engine has a very good way of visualizing AI. So you do this by pressing the apostrophe key. You can also press the semicolon key and you get a free cam. So yeah, that's it guys. These were the basics of AI in Unreal Engine. I'll follow up with another tutorial, and in that tutorial we'll make this character follow our player. I also have a Patreon, so you can support there and you can download this project file there. So I hope you like the tutorial. Leave a like down below, it helps a lot, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to part 2 of the basics of AI in Unreal Engine 4. So in the previous tutorial, we made this AI choose a random point and move to that random point. This is what we completed. So this sequence is the random part. So we need to add some more behavior to follow the player. So get the player location and stuff. So we are going to do that in this tutorial. Okay, so we'll start by selecting this sequence, and we are going to rename this sequence. Okay, so now this is random location stuff. Connect the selector here, drag from the selector under the task, and actually under the composite we need another sequencer, and this sequence will take care of the player location, getting the player location and moving the AI to that location. Okay, so let's build up the logic. So we need to get the player location. So for that we need a new task. You can create a new task by right clicking here, blueprint class, and search for task, and bt task blueprint base, add that, and we are going to rename this to get player location.